Hello, guys, and welcome back. I'm right here in Frankfurt at EAA 2019 Auto Show, and I have right here the new Opel Corsa. I was really curious to see this car. We will start with the interior this time. We have some leather on the door here, and the rest is plastic. Also, the speaker. You can see down here a little storage space. I have to tell you, I'm really impressed about this car. It has good quality materials. For example, these seats here are great electric seats with saving position, and you can see the soft material on the seats. It's gorgeous. Also, side support. Those are some premium seats. I like them very much. In the here we have a center armrest on leather as well, and a little bit of space there where you can put your stuff. Also, two cup holders in the middle. Um, then we have the electric handbrake and the driving mode button for selecting driving modes. Also, the automatic stick, it's the same as on the Peugeot. I think they have a collaboration, and I like it very much. Though this stick, also a space there, USB, 12-volt port, space to charge your phone. Uh, the interior look fabulous. I like it very much. They start now. I think the car company start now to make better and better cars. For example, this Corsa look much better than an Opel Astra from uh, previous model. For example, here the buttons are simple, nothing complicated. I like this speaker here on the A pillar, good quality on the roof handle. I like this white roof very much. Mirror here, also without any light. Here it's simple up here, nothing fancy, just LED lights. I like that. Very good, great job that you bring LED lights inside the cars. This is a good step. Also, you can see in the back a little bit of blind spot there in the corners, but the quality of the seats, the materials, it's gorgeous. The doors quality is not so big, but otherwise, the steering wheel, it's super nice. Also, the new digital cockpit, you see it before. I think it's almost the same like in the Opel Ampera. If you know the Opel Ampera electric, the cockpit it's almost the same. You cannot adjust anything there in the front. I think this is just lock like that, but I like the steering wheel, good quality. Also the buttons, I like the new digital cockpit. Here are the buttons, pretty simple, plastic, nothing fancy. The screen here, it's a matte screen, touch screen matte. It's not super responsive like you will find in other cars, but it's okay. It's much better than yeah, previous models, and it's kind of okay. The visibility on him it's not the best, but it's pretty good. It's pretty good. Down here we have the climatic system. You can also see it. Nothing to comment about it because it's uh, simple. But I don't know. This stick it's from Peugeot, and now they put it here. I like it very much. I like this stick a lot. Um, and the glove box is also quite big for a small car like that. Also, the dashboard is pretty nice. I like the dashboard very much. The vents are simple and clean. Also, the dashboard it's pretty cool. The visibility is good. Yeah, I like it. I like those seats. The seats are my favorite, really my favorite. Good visibility outside as well. You can see it. Mirrors are also nice. We will go out and I will show you the mirrors as well. Sorry about the quality of the video, guys, and the fact that I move a lot because it was really complicated to film here. There are a lot of people that waiting and they coming, and it's not easy to film. I will make another video when the car would come in my country. Here we have the chrome design around the windows. It looks super nice. Also, I love the mirrors. We have blind spot there in the mirror. Also, LED light on the mirrors. Finally, Opel put the LED on the mirrors. Usually, Opel Astra and all that have the blinkers on the body. Also, I like the lines of the car. The lines, this spoiler up here with the brake light there look fantastic. The car, the new Opel Corsa, look gorgeous. I love the new Corsa. I love the LED in the back here. You can see this is kind of the signature. We have 6 parking sensors, guys, in the back. Quite amazing. Also down here we have this white plastic that looks so much sportier and so much cooler, and also help for aerodynamic. The rims are also beautiful. This red combination, chrome with red. Michelin tires, 17-inch rims on the small car. They no wonder why they look so good on the car. And also the lines, you can see the shapes and the lines on the side look fabulous. Also even in the back here, I like the design. It's not bad, not bad. Corsa, the designer was great, was doing a great job. I see the designer here. Also, we have the back camera, LED lights on the number plate. Here is the fog light down there in the middle, and the exhaust pipe, and the bumper in the back look beautiful. The lines in the back look also nice on the side as well. Um, yeah, it's looking great. No, no, I don't have to say nothing about the car really. It's looking good. The starting price of this car, 30,000, 40,000 euro. This is a great price. This car in front of me cost 26,000 euro. There are some options about the car. If you want to read it, you can pause the video and read it. In the front as well, 6 parking sensors. This is really impressed me for a small car. We have full LED light. Also down there, the front radar. You can see the radar for adaptive cruise control, emergency brake. Right here, also the sensors on the grille there. The front bumper down there, sporty look. The grille is the same, almost they keep the grille, but we have the new full LED lamps. Um, with adaptive light. You can see here Elux logo, also gorgeous. I love it. In my opinion, they do a great job. They did a great job with this car. Good quality in the interior, nice design, nice shapes. Yeah, kind of good quality for a small car like that. Much better than the previous model. Uh, Also, the handles are cool and simple. Going inside, big windows. I think it's good. You have good visibility. We have plastic on the doors. Only here a little part it's leather, but otherwise it's just plastic. The doors are not like the level of the design of or the level of the seats. I wish it was a little bit different, the doors, but those leather seats are great. I like them. Um, anyway. The roof, it has a nice design. You will see when I go there. We don't have any center armrest here in the middle, in the back, in the middle. Also, the back of the front seat are also leather, no plastic. Here in the middle, you can see you have a little step there, not so big, and 2 USB port. Very useful. Great job. They did a great job with that USB ports right there. I want to show you that you can fold the seats. Also here in the back, the difference between the bigger car, um, it's that when you fold down the seats, you don't have a flat floor there. Opening the trunk, you can see it's simple, nothing fancy here. Plastic at the entrance, and also you can take this out if you want. You have like you don't have a flat floor there. Look here, 50 centimeter deep trunk here, and if I go under this, you still have a lot of space there. You can see you can put your repair kit and all that stuff. So the space in the trunk for this kind compact car, it's great. The space is great. The light in the trunk, it's good, but you don't have a flat floor. This is the disadvantage of the small car. But if you don't want to carry big items, this is a perfect car for the city. And on my channel, today or tomorrow, it will come another Opel Corsa, the new Opel Corsa, actually the new Opel Corsa, electric Corsa, and you will see it. It's much better to drive an electric car than combustion engine car. The space on the legs, no complaining, a lot of space. Up here also I have 3 fingers, 2 3 fingers. Not so big space for the tall people in the middle, but on the 3 people, it's a small car, maybe for 2 people. 3 people can stay here, but not for long trips. Also, the 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 space on my legs here, you can see it's enough space. You cannot stretch your legs, but it's enough space for a small car. It's quite good. Also on the head, 4 fingers, 4 fingers there. Yeah, not so big space on the head. You cannot have everything. The visibility, it's maybe a little bit of blind spot here, but it's okay. You cannot have everything, that word. Um, but in the front, for the passenger, for the driver, the quality, the dashboard, the new digital cockpit and multimedia system, they are quite good, and I also like it. I like the design. That was my review, guys. I hope you enjoy it. I will go into detail when I get the car. I will make another review also with the new Corsa. Check out on my channel. It will come next, and I will come with great new videos, great new cars that I will present you. That I already um, see it, the new Corsa, and it's great. I love it. So stay tuned, subscribe, like it, share, and thank you very much for watching, guys. See you soon with the next video. So bye, guys.